Okay, this is a repairability video for Mr. Stucky. Find the nails. See where they at. Okay, so apparently the nails are going above the. As you can see. As you can see, a lot of granules coming off. Of course, you can just see the granule loss coming off of this thing. It's pretty obvious. So go ahead and just take the middle picture. So I'm pretty sure the shingle is discontinued. I put them side to side. You can see that it's off by a couple millimeters, half an inch, so I'm pretty sure that which leads me to believe that this shingle is discontinued. So now we're gonna have to see how we do over here. So if we put it halfway, see, there you go. Obviously, shingle is bigger, so it's gonna overlap a little bit. As you can see, you already see the markings on the roof. Are you gonna be a first nail? Second nail. Third nail. Fourth nail. bit for now. As you can see, there's damage everywhere onto the... So, I mean, not only is the shingle bigger, which makes me think that this is discontinued, all the shingle is discontinued, but you haven't damaged just trying to repair this roof other than just replacing it in general. So my suspicion, it's unrepairable.